In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my go-to hairstyle, mini Senegalese twist. Items you'll need for this style are a rat tail comb, hair clips, hair butter, I like this one from Karen's Body Beautiful, hair oil, this one is from Melanin Hair Care, it really keeps my hair moisturized, and this is Referral pre-stretched 30-inch braid hair in color 27, and I also use this 27-613 mix for the blonde parts. I start off by sectioning my hair into 3 parts. I like to wear my hair with a part in the front that is slightly off-centered, so that's what you see there, but just put your part where you like your hair to lay flat if you want a part. I've moisturized my hair overnight with the Karen's Body Beautiful, so I'm just going to add a little oil to each section of my hair for added moisture. Now I'm just parting my hair to start my twist. I like these parts in the front to be pretty neat so that when I want to wear my hair in different directions, it looks good whichever way it's parted. Now I'm just going to add a little hair butter to the section. I like to have my hair extremely moisturized because we're going to have these twists in for a while, and you really only need a tiny bit for each section. The key to achieving mini twists is to not add a lot of hair to each twist, so I'm just sectioning off a small amount of hair and I'm going to feed that into my natural hair. You have to start your twist off with a braid, otherwise the twist will just fall out. So I like to braid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I start twisting, and as I twist I kind of take my thumb and my pointer finger and I twist those together as I go down. Before I feed in the hair, I like to twist my natural hair because I don't braid really tight, so twisting it before I add the hair in just makes it a little more taut to my scalp. Which is color 613, and I am just twisting my hair again before feeding the hair into my natural hair. So this is a little close-up for you. So I'm starting the braid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I start twisting. And if you notice on my right hand with the ring on it, I'm doing the twisting motion with my thumb and my pointer finger as I go down. So that just makes sure your twist stays nice and tight. Side is all done. If you look at my parts, they're all pretty much perfect, so no matter which way I lay my hair, I'll have a nice part to complement it. And I'm just cutting off the straggly ends here. You can wait till you're done, but I like to do it as I go along. Other side is pretty much the same process, just parting the parts very neatly and putting the hair in, twisting it before I feed in the hair to my natural hair, and just twisting all the way down. just like to put everything up in a ponytail to get it out of the way while I tackle the back of my hair. This hair is very soft, but this step is super important, so be sure that you do not skip it. You have to dip your ends in boiling hot water to kind of seal them. If you don't dip them, then your hair will shed, so make sure you do not skip this step. And this is the finished product, a head full of beautiful mini Senegalese twists. This is the perfect hairstyle, especially if you live a very active lifestyle like I do. These twists last a really long time and they just look so good and they are so versatile. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and like it if you want to see more hair videos from me. So thanks for watching.